everybody. Today we got legs. So this leg workout is going to be the same as back and chest. It's going to be heavy weight today. So my working range is going to be anywhere between 5 to 8 reps. But I'm more so going to be shooting for that 5, 6 rep range for all my sets of squats today. So let's get it. Oh. Whew. That's feeling light. Whew. Uh-uh. Alrighty, so I got 245 for 8 last week. So I think I'm gonna try and shoot for. I think I'll do 265 for 5 or 6 today. Let's get it. Ah. I'm actually super happy with that. I wanted to get 5 to 6. Got 8 of 265. Um, when you're bodybuilding, you know, the narrative is hypertrophy, you know, and in that process, you'll gain strength, but it's mainly for aesthetics. You know, I've been lifting consistently 4 to 5 days a week for the past, it's going on almost 2 years in February. And when I first started my squat, I mean, this was my absolute max. Like there's no going any more than what I did. It was 190. That was literally my body weight at the time. And now I'm repping 265 for 8. Just unfathomable how far we've come in that span. All through just, you know, we could just say it was hard work, but we know the main thing, consistency. You know, in that span, I haven't missed more than 2 days in a row for working out. um, you know, for my body, I benefit from taking rest days, you know, just the way my body feels, the way it communicates with me. It works best for me that way, 4 to 5 days a week for weightlifting. And then, of course, do cardio as well. You know, I always try to shoot for 150 minutes a week. Um, but most weeks I get 120. So, you know, but the main thing is just always trying, you know. And sometimes it's just me being lazy, not hitting that 150 minutes. And then other times it's just me listening to my body say, hey, let's just pump the brakes a little bit, you know? And so that's what I do. Um, but yeah, let's get into this next set. I'm super happy with the 8 reps. Um, what I'm not happy about is not getting 5 to 6. You know, that's really that's really the goal for this week. And so I'm pretty tapped out right now just from that one set. But I want to see if I can't get 275 for 5 to 6. Shoot for 5 just because I really laid it all down on that 8 rep range. But still, I'm super happy with that. So let's get into it. Ha! Oh yeah. Come on, we got 6. Alrighty. So I did some filler reps with these. So I'm only going to do 2 sets of squats this week just because lower reps. I forget exactly what it's called. It's lower reps, less volume, but higher weight. I forget what it's called, but kicked our butts in the squats. Super happy with the numbers that I put up. You know, just keep on progressing, keep on working hard, and let's keep on getting these gains. Let's get it. Ooh. All right, so another thing is typically I do 5 sets of hamstring curls and 5 sets of um, leg extensions. This week I'm only doing 3 of each, just because we hit more weight. So it's just that's the way it rolls. Oh, man, I don't know about anybody else, but when I'm doing these hamstring curls, like this hamstring feels like it has like a knot right here, and it's making me feel like like this side's weaker. I don't know, kind of weird. That's what I was feeling last week, right here, like right here, like it doesn't necessarily hurt. It just feels like a knot. Oh. Awesome sets, guys. Awesome sets. Let's go ahead and get into leg curls. Or, no leg curls, leg extensions. All right, so with hamstring curls, we got 13, 11, 8. So I'm going to try and replicate leg extensions 13, 11, 8. Yeah. Dang, we're actually spot on with this. Come on, one more. Alrighty, guys, for these, this is going to be more of a hamstring stretch. So we're not looking for heavy weight. We're looking for nice, slow, controlled stretching. Let's get it. Oh man, for these, stretchy feels amazing. I was planning on doing 2 sets of these, but it feels so good I might do 3. All right, slow and controlled. Let's get it. Oh my god, I barely made that one. Alrighty, guys. Awesome workout today. Put in that work, put in that dedication, put in that consistency, and we'll see results. Let's make this another successful day. This workout beat my butt. I got nothing else to say. I'm booked. I'm ready to eat. Oh, and you already know I still got to do calves. But that's off camera, inside. All right, guys. Let's keep at it. Remember, let's get these gains, and I'm out. Peace.